Current method. Start the placing operation by grabbing 4 pugs from each stack using both hands. Place each pug into the first hole of the board, proceeding from left to right. Follow an S method pattern with both hands. Continue until 60 pugs are placed per hand, 120 pugs in total. Once all pugs are placed, begin the turning process. Starting from the final position of the placing operation, flip each pug from red side to black and return it to its hole. This is done using the same S method with both hands until all pugs are flipped. Next, disassemble the pugs. Grab the last flip pug and collect 3 more to form a stack of 4. Return each stack to the table in the original layout. Using simultaneous hand motions, repeat the process using the S method until all pugs are cleared.